to batch 247. Today I am going to give a presentation on the topic delete, drop and truncate, which is given to me by Neeraj Singh sir. So let's start. First of all, let's know delete command, truncate command and then drop command. So delete is a DML command, which means it is of data manipulation language. With the help of delete, we can either delete particular row or entire row. Like if we want to delete only this, then the command that we will write, delete from, suppose the table name is student, so delete from student, where the condition we will put is ID is equals to 1. And if we want to delete the entire table at once with using delete command, then we will write delete from and suppose the table name is student, so the complete table will be deleted. Now truncate. Truncate is a DDL command that is of data definition language. With the help of truncate, we can delete the entire record. So whatever record we have stored in the table, it will completely get deleted. The command we have to write is truncate table and table name. So suppose if the table name is student, so we will write truncate table student. Now after that, drop. Drop is also a DDL command. It will delete the structure as well as the complete record of the table. So here suppose the table name is college. So we will do drop table college, and with the help of this the complete part will be deleted. Now let's understand with the help of practical. So here we have opened SQL. In this I have created a database named DB, and after that I have used the database. So for creating table, the command that we should write is create table and table name. So the name of my table is student. So create table student. After that I have inputted two values. First one is ID and then is name. In ID I have put conditions primary key so that the same ID will not get inserted into the table and it should not be null value. And the name of range should be of 30 characters only, and this should also not be null. After that I have inserted two values. One A in the student table and again another value 2B. Now with the help of select from command, I will show you the table. So let's run it. This is our table. The values A and B has been inserted with ID 1 and 2. Now let's understand with the help of delete command. So for deletion of table, we should write delete from student where ID is equals to 1. Suppose this is our command. Let's run it. So it has been deleted. Now let's check in the table. Select star from student. With the help of this command, we can see our table. So now see 1 and A value has been deleted, only 2 and B is stored. Now let's do it with the help of truncate command. So we will write truncate table student. Let's run. So our table has been deleted. Now again I will show you the table to see that it has been deleted or not. So for the third time I have run the code and this time it is getting null. It means all the values has been deleted. Now let's drop the table. So it will delete the entire structure as well as records. Table student. Let's select and run the command. So it has run. Now at last I will show you the table. So here we can see the message table db.student does not exist because we have already dropped the table. So this was all about delete, drop and truncate. Thank you.